Good morning. I want to take a couple minutes to do a closer look at the new shed we purchased and was delivered a few days ago. This is a 12 by 20 gable shed. It has a full-size 10-foot door, a couple shed windows. It's a nice looking shed. It's well built, and we're very pleased with the purchase. All right, let's head on inside. So everything's well built. The walls are 16 on center, 16 inches. Got a couple windows. And what's nice is I have a full-size garage door and a small window above. Looking at the floor, we have pressure treated 3/4 inch. It's on 12-inch on center pressure treated joists. So everything's well built. Very pleased with the construction. The shed came out of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we ordered it through a local dealer in Colchester, Vermont. A couple nice touches here. They left some touch-up paint so we can match up any dings and so forth. And the builder also left some roofing shingles, some extra ones. And here's a look with the garage door open. It's just a standard garage door. It's not insulated, so if I want to do that later, I can just add insulation to that foam board, as well as the entire shed. Thinking about doing that in the future, not the near future, but perhaps by next summer. Insulating the walls and the ceiling, just to keep the heat out of it when we run our off-grid battery system. Speaking of the off-grid solar and battery system, that's going to go in the shed. I'm going to put an insulated battery box over in this corner, and then I'll have my components on the back wall. I'm also going to work on the shed ramp later today. I have some more 3/4 stone coming, and I'm going to attach some 2x4 pressure treated lumber. I'm going to put it on these runners in front of it so the stone doesn't go underneath the shed. I'm going to pack it down real good, tamp it down, and then maybe put some Sure-Pack on top of the 3/4 stone just so everything stays in place. And I think that would be probably the most cost-effective and quickest way I can get that built up so we can start bringing in the bigger equipment like the new zero-turn lawnmower, as well as our other things like our snow blower. Now, I'm really happy with the shed pad. Going with a Pro to put that down was the right thing to do. Plenty of space on the shed pad with the overhang for water to drip off. Also looking at putting an off-grid water system on the shed, similar to what we did over in the pool off the house. So I want to do an IBC tote. Perhaps next spring we'll focus on doing that. But for right now, we want to get some electric done. Definitely focus on the solar for the shed. Get this baby going off-grid and using it. So there we go, new shed. Going to get to work on this. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.